How to export video in DaVinci Resolve 19. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. So let's start by opening DaVinci Resolve 19. Then make sure you have your project ready. On the bottom, click on Deliver. You can give your project a name and select the path you want to save it. Next, you can customize everything here depending on your preferences. On the top, I will be using this custom one, and on your timeline, you can select whether you want to export the whole timeline or in, out, which means that there are just frames you want to export, but not the entire timeline. After that, click this add to render the queue over here. Then on the right, you can see that your timeline is now added. Just simply click render all below, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.